So now it's time for our tool number 20, and that is CANVA AI. So this is how the CANVA homepage actually looks like. So when it comes to AI, CANVA has upgraded a lot when it comes to AI features or AI tools. So on the left hand side, you can see different options on CANVA. This is the homepage, this is the project, templates, brand, and over here you can see CANVA AI. So when you will click on CANVA AI, you will get a lot of things, whether it's image, whether it's coding, whether it's video. And videos are especially for those who are using the pro features. But if you are in the free version, you cannot use it. This is the right feature, this is the design feature, and more of that stuff. So let's go ahead with each and every AI tools, and let's see how this tool actually words like and how the Canva tool words like, Canva AI words like. So let's go for a image, and it's written over here, describe the image in your mind and I will bring it to life. So let's see, uh let's go to chat GPT. Let's go to our 3D image prompt. And in the previous lecture, we have generated this one, the chocolate one. So I am going to generate the or copy the entire thing from the previous prompt, and I will head on to Canva and I will paste it, and we will wait for a moment and we will see if this tool really comes closer to what I actually wanted. So this tool actually worked very well when it comes to image generation. The this That was the exact prompt that I gave, but the result is really phenomenal. It actually looks very similar and very close to what I wanted GPT, in fact, to generate. GPT generated the perfect one, but this was also very close to those images. So the image part works really well. So over here you can see the features, the linings, the design, the light, the background, everything is so close to the image that ChatGPT generated for me when I was working with that tool. So over here you can see this tool also, this image also, this was also very close and very realistic looking. So let's head over back. If you want to edit this image, then simply head on edit and you can start your editing. So let's click on edit and see what comes over here. So when you will click on edit, if you want to remove the background, you want to erase something, you can simply erase over here. You can erase something from here. If you want to erase anything, so pixel erase. So if I want to erase this part from there, now I'll hit done. Now it's analyzing and it will erase all the things from here. If you want to add something over here instead of this, you can add anything. So let's come back to our tool and let's come to Canva AI and see what's next. So over here you can see an interactive menu for my restaurant. This is the food related part. So create a modern, build your own order interactive menu without image. Start with it. So I will first, so this is what the Canva code actually does. So ask me anything generating the code. So let's create something. So it generating the entire code. So over here I will write I want to create a website for a beauty or for a chocolate company naming ETR, and I want you to the entire generate the entire code for this website, and I will hit enter. And now let's see what comes over here. First, it will it will write the entire code, and then it will create me a brand new website or an app what I wanted it to create. So I have written over here a simple prompt that I want to create a website for a chocolate company named ETR, and I want you to generate the entire code for this website. So it's writing the all, whether it's product, whether it's features or not features, whether it's a type of chocolate that that company has, whether it's about the company page, the companies, or who are those who are running the company. So all the details, the basic details of the website. So it's stored in right now. This is how the CANVA AI code actually works. CANVA AI is also one of the most amazing tools when it comes to today image generation or video. This tool's works like magic. Over here, you can see on the screen live, it's writing all the code. I am not doing anything right now. I just put in the prompt, what's come into my mind, and now it's creating that into a code. So design features, full website section, so everything is now done. Over here, you can see the home page, the about section, the product, the quality, the contact, premium chocolate excellence, ETR. So discover more chocolate. So our stories, our chocolate selection, milk, white addition, dark. If you thumb down, gift selection, seasonal special, why choose this company, all the details are here. If you want to send some messages, you then simply send it, email us, call us. If I want to make some changes, I then just write it over here. That change the color or change the font style or change the about section page or change the product description or the contact details or add this or that. I then give all the details and my entire website is created within a few seconds. You then simply publish your website directly from here. So this is how this tool actually works. So let's go for the next one and see what's there. So you then even build your own theme, but create your own theme with this tool. So over here, it's even create an interactive 3D space exploration theme. So I will use the default prompt that's already there. And let's see how this tool works when it comes to creating a theme. So let's wait for a moment. It's working on the back end and let's see how this one works. So it's writing the entire code as it did for the previous one, for the previous website generation. And this is now it's creating a theme for me over here, as you can see, as based on the prompt, a 3D exploration theme. So now it's building the entire theme for me. So I've not put in any prompt or any, I just use the default prompt given by the Canva. You then use your own prompt, you then use your own idea of your theme. And over here, you then see the entire code has been written, the 299 or 300 something lines have been written, and I did nothing over here. I didn't even have my hands on keyboard or something. I didn't know how to write a single code, but all the work is been done over here with the help of AI. So this is how Canva AI actually works. This is a magical tool. You then create any app for yourself. This is a gaming tool. This is a gaming app that it's creating, but in fact, you can create any app for your own self. And let's wait for a few more seconds and see what is our final theme looks like. What's our final theme actually looks like and how it actually works. So this is the theme. So let's start there over here. Let's see the solar system theme. Hide orbit. reset view, pause. So I think so this is the basic theme, a very simple theme when it comes to I didn't understand how this theme works. But still, if you will see, this has been created within a few seconds. It took less than a minute to create me this entire game. But if you want to create your entire game for yourself, you can simply use this CANVA AI feature and you can create a game for yourself and you can directly publish it from here. This was, I think, so very simple part which I didn't even understood very well, but still this works very good. It works well, but still I can see what's working over here, the movement, the lighting, the movement, the background, and all the things. Let's click on play and let's see if over here you can see it's moving right over here. So this theme is actually working for show orbit. So over here you can see it's just revolving around the sun. So this is how the theme works. And this was all from CANVA AI part. Just because there's even more. If you will come over here, you then find more coding part, the more things related to code. But I will come back right now. There was image, there was code, there was even image generation, code generation, video generation. You can even write an entire script for yourself. You can design a modern apartment for yourself. So anything you want to write, anything you want to design, you just need to use CANVA AI and it's there to help you. If you want to create an invitation card with the help of AI, you can do that. If you want to create a logo, a document, if you want to create a mid-century modern apartment design for yourself, you then simply do that. You then create a blog post, a simple ad image. If you want to create a cartoon for children image, if you want to create cartoon sequence or anything related to children, you can simply do that from here. And there's more to it. After watching this video, the only thing I want you to do is just head on to CANVA AI and use all these features and you will really enjoy the magic of CANVA AI. So this was all from this lecture. I will see you in the next one.